Okay, hey guys, Danny Moss here. It is September the 4th, 6:37. Um, I'm about to go to one of my friend's ponds. He's got a really big pond, and he's got a john boat, so we're gonna go on his john boat today. It's the same boy that I did the video one day of fishing with. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. But yeah, basically he said there's been a lot of big fish in it. And my dad knew that pond. He said, yes, there's been a lot of 10-pounders caught out of it. So what I'm rocking with today is a Spro Rat, because it's got a lot of trees and stuff in it. A full-size Z-Crawl and a little Senko, because some of them big fish like to eat a Senko in these ponds. And that's really it. I'm about to get picked up by his dad to go. And I will see you guys when we get there. Alright, hey guys. We're just about to go to the pond. Dingus over here left his brush hogs in the truck. So, his dad is bringing his brush hogs back up here, but, just about to head down to the pond. And, yeah, what are you starting off with, Cody?
Well, we're going to be ripping some lips, 2K16, baby.
The question was, what are you starting out with?
Oh, I'm going to start out with baby brush hog, green pumpkin, right here. What are you going to be starting out with?
I don't know. I might start out with a rat. It's probably what I'm going to start out with a little bit. Maybe the jerkbait. But, yeah. See you guys when we get to the pond. Of course, it's foggy. Oh, crap.
You got a double!
Oh, mine came off. Yup. Stop flopping. There's number 2 for me, guys. I caught one while he was putting the trolling motor on the boat. But, of course, he's caught the biggest fish so far.
Hey, guys.
One too. Yep.
Huh?
Yep. Fish don't like to give up in this pond, eh?
I got one. I got one.
Gosh.
What?
He's tugging, Bo. I just don't want him to jump. I ain't got but 8-pound test. There we go. He's about 2 1/4.
I have one on this small.
There we go, guys. It's a good little fish. What I'm using, I got a Reaction Innovation Pocket Rocket. It's basically just kind of like a Senko. It's a Senko variant. And I'm telling you guys, I really like these rebar hooks for wacky rigging and Nico rigging and stuff like that. I really do like these hooks, so I'm just using a rebar hook. Got that on a 7-1 medium heavy fast action Mojo Bass rod, spinning rod. It's basically just their wacky rig rod. Got a Shimano Sahara reel on there with 15-pound braid to 8-pound fluorocarbon. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys with some more fish catches. thought I had another one right there. I think it was a piece of brush. Yep. Oh, pocket rocket. Oh my gosh. Did he just get... What the world? That fish is strong. I didn't think he's that big. He's just fighting like a crazy person. There we go, guys. 2 casts in a row. This fish fight like crazy in here. Alright, chill out, buddy. So there we go. It's number 2. There's number 4. Same rig. Alright, guys. So the update is he's got 9, I think, and I've got 7. I picked up the rat and fished with it for a little while, and he took the lead on me, so now I had to pick up my fish. Yeah, I did have a hit on the rat, but he missed it. So, yeah, we've only been fishing for like an hour and a half, though, and we've already caught like 16 fish. So, I will get back to you guys a little bit later.
I wish it was some boat docks on this thing. You get family?
Yeah. That's like a pretty good one. I haven't seen him yet.
I'm not gonna pick him up in here. You're looking or
I'm just gonna swing around here and grab him. Alright, let me see. Where's it? Oh no, he's alright. We got him good. Alright, guys. There's a good one right there. Pretty fish. See, that's what I like about that rebarb hook. It gets them good. Alright, now don't you flop on me. Still throwing the same thing, the pocket rocket. That's probably the biggest fish of the day, ain't it, Cody? Good solid 2.5. Yeah. They were both good fish, though. Alright, here he goes. Get us out of here! Yeah, but he's a nice fish. Get ready, he's going out. Don't hold the line, he's trying to run, Cody. I only got 8 pounds, that's on there. That was first cast of that rig. Alright, I think the bone's ready. He's probably about 4 pounds. Oh no, he's a good 3 though. Grab him, Cody. Pull him out of line. There you go.
He ain't no 3 pounds.
No, he's the biggest fish of the day, but he ain't no 3 pounds. There we go, guys. A pretty fish right there. Here's that rig that I was just using. I got my favorite flukes. These are Deep Creek Lures flukes. And basically, got my rebarb hook, and all I'm doing is just nose hooking it like you would on a drop shot. Okay? Basically, all you're doing. And this rig right here is called an iMotion rig. It's got really good action. And it keeps it kind of weedless too in this stuff that we're fishing, because the hook's not like way up off the top of the bait. Basically, you just throw it out there and you work it like you would a wacky rig or fluke or just something like that. Just twitch it around. Dude, it's like a 10-pounder. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm trying, Cody. Grab him, grab him, grab him. Grab my rod, Cody.
You stupid.
Oh my God!
Oh, you're right. I got it.
Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Cody. That just happened. Yes. Look at that. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that, dude. He's an 8-pounder, ain't he? Yes, look at that. Dude, he came up and ate it like a shark at the boat. I mean, did you see that?
Yeah.
He came up and just completely, like, gobbled it. It was all I could do not to set it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. Let me see him. Alright, here's the release of that giant bass. That was incredible, guys. This is why I love fishing right here. The camera, until I turn it on, fish is catching. I wouldn't buy
I wake up, put it back in, crack the cold one, throw my boots and overall on. It's country boys a barbed wire tattoo. Move all the way around.
There we go, guys. Chatter right again. That's a good 2-pounder. So basically, okay. So basically, guys, what we're doing is there's all these reeds in here, and we're just taking the chatterbaits, we're hitting against these reeds and yanking it off, and when we yank them off the reeds, that's when the bass are biting. You know, we're just getting them to react. So right now I've got 15 fish, he's got 16. So it's been a good day so far. We're going to keep on going down some of these grass lines, see if we can't catch some more fish. So get back to you guys later. There we go, guys. That one's close to 3 pounds on the old chatterbait. Well, that Guggen over there is hung up. So now one ahead of him. 17 to 16. Oh, we got one, guys. Got another one. These fish are so strong in this pond, though. Here we go. What are you doing over there, man?
Scratching me.
There's one coming. Yeah, race. Lord have mercy!